Turn the stove on at about medium-low heat. Pour 500 ml of water and bring to a boil. Add vegetable stock and stir until it dissolves. Reduce the heat a bit. Add chopped tomatoes. I used canned tomatoes in juice because we don't have any fresh tomatoes. Cook for about 5 minutes or until the tomatoes have softened. Beat 2 eggs. And when you're done, pour it into the broth while gently stirring. Add a tablespoon of soy sauce, toasted sesame oil, a pinch of salt and pepper. Cover it and leave to cool. I'm going to be adding noodles to mine, so I poured 1 tablespoon of oil and placed the egg noodles in the wok and stirred it for about 3 minutes. Pour some soup into a bowl. Add the noodles and garnish. Normally you would garnish it with finely chopped spring onion, but I used chives for mine. It was kind of dark in the room, so I tried going outside to show it better. I'm not gonna lie, it just looks radioactive from out here. I probably didn't do it right, that's why. Oh well. I don't usually cook, but hopefully I'll get better as I continue this cooking series.
I made it. Try it. Come on, try it. Quick.
Wait, give me a second.
Do you like it or not?
I don't know.
Man said I don't know. Like, how can you say that to the greatest chef in the whole world? Like, I'm joking. Oh my gosh. It wasn't actually that bad, but it wasn't the best either. It tasted a bit sour. And I feel like it's because of the tomatoes I used, the ones in the can. Oh, and I forgot to mention this earlier. I got the recipe from this book called Ching's Fast Food by Ching-He Huang. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Sorry, I mispronounced it. And this contains 110 quick and healthy Chinese favorites. It seems really cool, so I'm going to be using this to cook the food for my series. As you can tell, I'm not a very good cook, and hopefully this will give me a chance to improve on my cooking skills. Big baby! She's so cute!